Today we'll talk about how can you disable hardware decoding on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to hardware decoding here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going, that's mean hardware decoding disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.